We're back. Another dawn session. Really hoping we can get a nice table fish today. Conditions look really good out there. Bit of seaweed in close, hopefully we can get over the top of it and hit the mark. Thanks for tuning in again, guys, and appreciate the subs and the likes. We're slowly growing. Hit us up if you need anything. Oh, that's a nibble. Promising. Promising early. Hope the audio's okay. Not crackling too much. Oh, yes. Are we on? I think we're onto something. Oh yeah. We're onto something here. It's not a monster, but it's good. Tried to pull me down into a reef to start with. Getting some good head shakes. This could be a pinky. The water is all carving up. Tell the winter swells are coming, mate. Good head shakes. Still got the drag just loose enough in case he wants to bolt. I don't think this guy's a bolter. There's a bit there though. Oh, he got off. No, he didn't. He's a baby. Just a baby dog. He's nice. What Thunder would call a squire. There you go. Just a smaller model. Probably around the 40 mark. Let's get you back in, buddy. He's off. It's looking absolutely primo out there. Look at that sky. Absolutely love it. This is the best time of day. Always worry about your drone in the sky, don't you? I really hope this one stays with us for a long time. We don't get any issues. So far, not too bad. Let's drop two. So we've gone with a fillet and a chunk. Let's see what comes back the best. Water is just glistening at the moment. Oh, we're still getting bites straight away. Oh! Oh! We're onto something big here. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, we are going. Oh. Oh, yes, please. Oh. This is a decent specimen. He went hard. Now, which one did he go for? The fillet or the chunk? I need to pull him over reef. We might have got him over. Yeah, we have. Head shakes everywhere. Still can't keep the rod holders in the ground properly. What have we got? Still a fair way out. Just love this sky. Beautiful orangey peach colour right now. This one's definitely size. Got a few zings out of him, but we did have the drag quite loose. Well, there's a big wave. All right, we're right here. Oh, it's a pinky. It's a big one. I'll let him run. This is a big wave here. Bring him in on the wave. Yes. Woo! Oh, it's a stonker. You beauty. Woo! I need to take the half fillet. Woo! We got another one. What a beauty. Such a beautiful species. Again, thanks for tuning in. We've had another epic morning. Short one today, but an absolute ripper. We're really lucky in this run to winter. There's still great fish out there. I'll see you next time.